Hello and welcome to the Gadget Grid, where I'll be sharing 5 amazing gift ideas for Mother's Day. If you're struggling to find the perfect gift for your mom, these items might be just what you're looking for. Item 1. Mother's Day Jewelry for Mom. I Love You Necklace Heart Pendant. Let's start with a beautiful piece of jewelry. This and quote, I love you and quote, necklace from Elder & Co. is a stunning way to express your love for your mom. It features a heart-shaped pendant that says and quote, I love you and quote, in 100 different languages. The necklace is made of 925 sterling silver and comes with May and June birthstones, making it a great birthday gift as well. Your mom will be delighted to wear this special necklace and keep you close to her heart. The price of this item, $99.99. It is available on Amazon.com. All links are in the description. Item 2. CINCOM heated leg massager for circulation and pain relief. Next up, we have a gift that will help your mom relax and relieve pain. The CINCOM heated leg massager is perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time on their feet. It features air compression massage for the foot and calf, as well as heat therapy to improve circulation and reduce pain. This is a great gift for moms who work long hours or who suffer from leg pain. She'll appreciate this thoughtful gift to help her unwind and feel better. The price of this item, $98.99. It is available on Amazon.com. Item 3. I Feel Mom Gifts for Mother's Day 925 sterling silver rose heart birthstone necklace. Another beautiful jewelry option is this rose heart birthstone necklace from I Feel. This stunning piece is made of 925 sterling silver and features a rose heart pendant with a birthstone of your choice. This necklace is perfect for Mother's Day, as well as birthdays or Valentine's Day. Your mom will love wearing this special necklace and feeling the love and appreciation you have for her. The price of this item, $99.99. It is available on Amazon.com. Item 4. 8x pain relief. Magnetic therapy heated neck stretcher, device pillow, neck hump corrector. If your mom suffers from neck pain or tension headaches, this gift could be a game changer. The 8x pain relief magnetic therapy heated neck stretcher is designed to alleviate pain and tension in the neck, shoulders, and back. It features a large graphene heating pad and a cervical traction device pillow that can help correct the neck hump. Your mom will appreciate this thoughtful gift that will help her feel better and relax. The price of this item, $32.99. It is available on Amazon.com. Item 5. Cervical neck traction device. Last but not least, we have another gift that will help your mom with neck pain. The cervical neck traction device is easy to use and fully adjustable. It features an electric air pump that inflates the device, gently stretching the neck and relieving tension. This is a great gift for moms who spend a lot of time sitting at a desk or who suffer from neck pain due to an injury. Your mom will appreciate this thoughtful gift that will help her feel better and more comfortable. The price of this item, $103.49. It is available on Amazon.com. And there you have it. 5 amazing gift ideas for Mother's Day. I hope this video gave you some inspiration for what to get your mom this year. Let